Next up, Vintage Connoisseur for Black Mouse. We need to find and deliver 20 wine bottles, 11 aged wine bottles to any dead drop, and extract with 3 vintage wine bottles. You can find these in any fridges. This is cheap wine, of course, but the best place to look is usually in the far north of the map in Al Mazrah City. Zooming in the northeast side, a few of these buildings here are pretty good. I think it's this building here is a restaurant, pretty good. This one here is pretty good as well. And if you have the Yum Yum Burger Shack backdoor key, you can get in here as well for extra fridges in the far southwest. This building here also has some pretty good fridge loot in it. Other than that, fridges are dotted pretty much everywhere, all over the map, in seemingly random spots. If you find a restaurant, well, there's probably some good loot in there, etc, etc. It's literally just fridges you're looking for. Here's a few more. There's liquor, not what we want. Imported tea, not what we want either. In fact, let's find out if cheap wine counts. Maybe it will. I got voice confirmation telling me I need to deliver it to a dead drop, meaning yes, these do count. So now, obviously, whenever you have any wine bottles or aged wine bottles, you need to take them to any dead drop on the map. There are multiple, and in the description down below you'll find a live map with detailed locations as well as videos by me telling you pretty much exactly where they are. For example, the first one I'll go to is up here, just north of Al Malik Airport. I think this might be a restaurant as well. That it is not. Let's go drop these off in a dead drop. Plonk. Just like that. We've now got progress on the mission. Sweet. Now let's actually head up to Al Mazrah City, where we should find most of the things that we need. Once again, we'll run through these buildings around the north here. I'll mark this petrol station as it's close enough. Okay, so starting at the Yum Yum Burger Shack right here. This building over here, next to the giant skyscraper. Inside of it, we should find more than a few fridges. Nothing around here. Behind these, we have a few fridges here. Cheap wine, sweet. Liquor, don't need. Liquor again. And of course, if we have the backroom key, there is where we can use it. Vintage wine, sweet. This we need to extract with. Aged wine, we need to go drop this off as well. Cheap wine, sweet. Let's take this too. Another one. And I think there may be some more in here. Nope, no more fridges. Okay, now because I'm pretty full, I'll head across to a dead drop, which is over here in the southwest of the town here. I'll drop these bottles except for the vintage bottles. Then we'll continue our hunt on the northeast. Sweet, there we go. Here's the dead drop. Let's dump the cheap wine and the aged wine, and just like that, we have a ton of progress on the mission. I'll keep the vintage on me so we can hopefully extract with it. They are somewhat rare, so do be careful. Let's head back to the north side of the town and have a look through this building here. So have a look inside of this building. In the front of it here, we have a ton of fridges. Liquor, don't need that. Cheap wine. Cheap wine, cheap wine, cheap wine. Sweet. Round the back, there should be a few more. There we go. Let's go ahead and drop these off and maybe head for an extract. There we go. Cheap wine. Sweet. Let's get out of here.
Pleasure. Here's wine. There you go. Vintage Connoisseur complete. Yeah, I finished the mission, boys. This is the last place I expected to finish a mission.
With my luck, I managed to finish Vintage Connoisseur for Black Mouse in Building 21, which is pretty sick. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.